What's up guys, in this video I am going to show you how can you install WordPress plugins by different 5 ways. So let's start. First of all, I am in the dashboard of the WordPress. In the dashboard, as you can see, plugins tab, and you have to hit the add new button. So as you can see, there are many plugins showing. So these are free plugins of WordPress. You can install any of the plugin from this, and you can also search there for the free plugins of the WordPress. So as you can see, this is the first way to install WordPress plugins from WordPress dashboard of the plugins. So after that, the second way is to install a plugin from the directory of your PC. So you have to just to add new plugins, and you have to upload plugin from your directory. You have to select it. Sometimes a user buy a plugin from other website and he want to install it from the directory. So there is a desktop. In my desktop I have a paid version of JS Composer. I am going to install it. So after successfully installation, you have to activate the plugin. As you can see the plugin dashboard of the JS Composer. Now we have a third way to install a plugin. For the third way, you have to install another plugin, File Manager. By this plugin you can access all the WordPress root files as well as plugin and theme code. You just have to simply install it. After installation, you have to go to their dashboard. So after that you can see the WordPress root files. So in the WP content and go to plugins, there will be all plugins of the WordPress. So you can simply upload a plugin from your root. You just have to upload files, and you have to drag and drop your files just like that. In this case you just have to upload a plugin and you have to extract a plugin version. You just have to extract it here. After the extraction you just have to plugin dashboard, and there will a plugin which we just uploaded. You just have to activate it. I'm going to delete it to install from other ways. So after that you have a fourth way. You just have to log in from your Cpanel, and after the login you just have to search for file manager. Now the file manager is open as well as from the Cpanel. You can also locate it from the dashboard. This is the file manager. You can just click, and in the dashboard you just have to go to your website root, WP content, and just like before you just have to upload a plugin. You just have to upload a plugin from there and choose a file. As you can see, it is successfully uploaded, and now you have to refresh it, and as you can see there is a plugin showing. You just have to extract it and it will show there after extracting. After that you have to install it by the previous way. So now we have a fifth way, and the fifth way is the FTP. You just have to create a FTP account from your cPanel. I will link a video in the description that how can you create a FTP account from your cPanel. So like that you just have to search for FTP, and as you can see there can FTP accounts is showing. You have to create account, but we have already an account. You just have to open a FileZilla, and in the FileZilla You just have to create a new site and give it a name like that. After that you have a credentials. I'm going to save my credentials there. This is the user and this is the server, I mean host. I'm going to give it there, and the default port is 21 always, and I need a passport there. So this command is for saving a passport there. You can save it anything. You just have to connect and paste passport again. So we have connected FTP from by FileZilla. In the FileZilla you have to locate a directory. We just have to go inside the find gap. After you have to click WP content for the plugins. In the plugin section you just have to upload a plugin from your root. So in my desktop there is a plugin. So you just have to upload a file. I have an unzip file. Also I do not have to unzip it after uploading. As you can see the files in the queue. So after uploading successfully you have to refresh this page and you will see a plugin there. So by this way you can upload and install a plugins by different ways. Sometimes one way is not working, you can use another way. So guys, if you find my video useful, don't forget like, subscribe and share. Finally, thanks for watching.